In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print multiple designs on one page in Canva. This is perfect if you're creating business cards, labels, stickers, flashcards, thank you cards, or any small design that you want to print several times on a single sheet of paper. Instead of wasting paper by printing one design per page, you can easily duplicate and arrange them to maximize your space. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get perfect prints every time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Canva tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. This should be the final version of the item you want to print, whether it's a card, label, sticker, or any other layout. Before duplicating anything, make sure your design is resized to the exact dimensions you want it printed. To check this, click on Resize if you're using Canva Pro, or manually confirm your page dimensions under File and View settings. If you're designing something like a 3x4-inch card, ensure the canvas reflects that size accurately so your prints come out correctly. Once your design is the correct size, click on the main element or select everything on the page. Now duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. You'll instantly see a copy appear. Continue pressing Ctrl or Command-D to create multiple duplicates. Each time you press it, Canva will generate another identical copy. Next, arrange your duplicates on the same page. Click and drag each copy into position, creating neat rows and columns. Try to align them evenly across the page to make the most of your printable area. If your canvas size is larger, like US letter or A4, you'll be able to fit multiple items across and down the page. To make everything perfectly aligned, select all the duplicated items by dragging your cursor over them or holding Shift and clicking each one. Then go to the top toolbar and click on Position. From there, select Tidy Up. This feature automatically spaces your elements evenly, making your layout look clean and professional. If needed, use the alignment options to center everything on the page. Keep duplicating and arranging your design until the page is filled. Be mindful of margins. Most printers cannot print fully edge to edge unless you enable borderless printing, so leave a small margin around the edges to avoid cutting off your design. Once your page is filled and everything looks aligned, it's time to download your file for printing. Click on Share in the top right corner, then click Download. For the best print quality, change the file type to PDF print. This format preserves high resolution and ensures your design prints sharply and clearly. If available, you can also enable crop marks and bleed if your design goes to the edge and you plan to trim it. After downloading the PDF, open it on your computer. When you're ready to print, press Ctrl+P or Command+P to open your printer settings. This step is very important. In your printer dialog box, make sure you select Actual Size or 100% Scale. Avoid choosing settings that automatically shrink or enlarge the file unless that's your intention. If you want the printer to adjust within margins, you can choose Fit to Page, but keep in mind this may slightly scale your design. Load the correct paper type into your printer, whether that's sticker paper, cardstock, or regular paper. Double-check your orientation settings, portrait or landscape, depending on your layout. Then go ahead and print a test page first to make sure everything looks correct before printing in bulk. And that's it. That's how you print multiple designs on one page in Canva quickly and efficiently. This method saves paper, saves ink, and gives you full control over your layout. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.